This morning it was really exhausting. We did a lot of grinding, a lot of sails up and down. I'm tired. I laid down on the ground for a while and just tried to like stretch my arms. Oh, everything hurts. My wingies hurt.
Horrible.
And sail-wise?
Horrible testing. We hoist J0.
Bigger, smaller sail? What?
Bigger sail, less wind, bigger sail. So, I will attach the halyard and then we're ready to go.
Yep.
Hopla.
Hopla.
The outer is too east for me.
Okay, I can take some on.
And just one click more on the sheet.
I would say if it's 5 minutes like this, we go for it.
Really?
I don't know, actually it looks lighter than
This J0.
I know.
When you reach 9 knots, I mean, the water a bit closer, isn't it?
It's why we're here is still a bit more.
Yeah.
Still
So for me, if you feel like, I think we can.
People want to come out with the road.
Yeah, make that. Keep on.
Huh?
A straight line today.
Yeah.
It needs to be fast. It's a drag race.
We're a bit low now.
That's alright. It's just a little header.
Yeah. My storm is doing 50 knots.
The med weapon. The med killer.
They have a med weapon. Who's the med weapon?
Biathlon. I think it's fair to say they've proven it.
I agree.
This is quick.
Tended to say a tiny bit more carton or sheet. A little bit.
Green balloon.
Green balloon! Yay! Oh.
Hold that. Now a bit of in pucker. Just put it by hand.
Faster like this. Faster like this.
Another 50 centimeters.
Pretty much it.
Yeah.
Just steering the boat, trying to get flying basically. Okay, main sheet on. But it's very hard because it's very marginal conditions, but it makes a big difference when we get going in this because we're all just got to go faster than the boat next to us. So it's fun, it's nice. What percentage is that, Frankie?
73%.
Is the main out again a bit? Just steering the boat, trying to get flying basically. Okay, main sheet on. But it's very hard because it's very marginal conditions, but it makes a big difference when we get going in this because we're all just got to go faster than the boat next to us. So it's fun, it's nice. What percentage is that, Frankie?
73%.
Bit more ikata.
Huh?
Bit more ikata.
Rise and shine.
But basically, we are running a bit of a different watch this time. So we're trying to give Will as much freedom as possible. So he's not in the watch system. So we're running a free people watch system. So it's Boris, Cole, and myself. And each of us is on watch for 4 hours and then off watch for 2 hours. And we overlap between each other. So we do like 2 hours each with one another. And it's not the most resting watch system because you have a really small sleep compared to the amount of time that you're awake, but it's the only way to make sure that we always have someone in charge of the boat when Will is focusing on the navigation. And so far it seems to work because yeah, I think we made a really good call because it's really focused on one job, so I think it's pretty nice. And now, talking about watch, it's time for Colina Kimberly. You want me to wake her up in that, like in my way or?
Yeah, your way.
My way. Which animal is it?
A small meerkat hibernating.
Hibernating?
Yeah.
It's hibernation. Woohoo! 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 She's up.
Is that how you wake people up?
No, normally it's more like you're on. I'm not that gentle. Colina is very gentle with me.
Hello, Kalina.
This is how you feel after only 2 hours of sleep. Feel great.
She looks in ship shape.
My arm was asleep. Oh. Here we go.
Hello.
Foot's asleep. My arm's asleep. Alley-oop. Right. How's it going, everybody?
Hi.
Now that we've had a little bit of break and I've been able to eat some food and drink some water, feeling much better, we are green balloon, which mostly in sailing terms, all that means is that we are faster than the rest of the fleet. So, yay! We're pointing at some Greek islands right now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So we are pointed at Greece, And what we're gonna do is then we have to go to this waypoint over here, and then we're gonna hairpin left turn, and we're gonna then go up to another waypoint. It is northwest from here, unfortunately for us. This has been the race of waypoints for some reason, waypoints and gates and things like that. So all the places that you want to go, like not there, like elsewhere, you want to pick your own route, not really allowed. That's how this ends up being into a drag race where we end up fighting all each other. There's 5 of us all together, bound up together. And once we get around there, then we're free to go to Montenegro, which would be really nice. It's marginal foiling upwind conditions, and so it's a lot of like, okay, we push the boat, we try to make the boat go fast, the best that we possibly can,